this makeup look, I will be moisturizing my face with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. And then I will move on to my eyebrows. I like to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. I don't like my eyebrows too dark, and I just fill them in where I think I need them the most. These eyebrows that I did for this makeup look were not the best because I did need to go get them done, but I tried to do the best I could. Moving on to my concealer, I will be using the Marc Jacobs Compliance Concealer. I will be applying this where I feel like I need it the most, of course under my eyes, a little bit around my face where I see that I have redness, and to cover some imperfections and some blemishes. I will then grab my beauty blender, my wet beauty blender, and just work with my concealer. Honestly, it is super creamy and I love the consistency of it. The coverage was amazing and I do highly recommend this concealer. It is just amazing, and honestly I've tried a lot of other concealers and I can say this one will be one of my favorites for sure. For foundation, I will be using my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This is my all-time favorite foundation. I just love the way it makes my skin look. It looks natural, but at the same time, it gives me that beautiful glow. I will then set my face and my under eyes with the Revolution Loose Baking Powder in the color Banana. For bronzer and highlighter, I will be using the Benefit Cosmetics, the Cheek Leaders Cheek Palette. For bronzer, I will be using the color Hula. For highlight, I will go back to that same palette and use the color Cookie. I will then set my eyebrows with the Benefit Give Me Brown in the color 3. My eyeshadow, I grabbed the color Pro Fresh from the Tarteist Pro Amazonian clay palette, and I just apply this all over my eyelid. This is what I do almost every day for my makeup looks, and I just like the way it looks. Nothing too fancy, but at the same time adding some color to my eyes. Mascara, I use the IT Cosmetics Superhero in the color black, and I love this mascara. It gives my eyelashes volume and I don't have to use fake eyelashes just because I like the way it looks. For lips, I use my Sephora lip liner. I don't remember the name, but I will have it listed down below in the description bar. For my lips, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Lip Paint in the color Uncuffed.